What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on ATER ticker symbol.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company even higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we hit the range of resistance at $6.5 at this price point, and I also mark this support line at $5.12, and right here I've told you that we have to break one of these support or resistances in order to establish the direction of new trend, and we didn't break none of them. Right here, right after I made my previous video, we were starting to go lower, but then we had this movement to the upside, and the reason of this movement I will show you in just several minutes. And we hit the range of resistance, but we didn't break it. As you can see, these 2 weeks is nothing else but the exact hit of this range of resistance, because right here we have the top of our fifth wave slightly above, and we don't have any candles that were opened and closed above this range on a trading session. That is why we still have this range as a very strong range of resistance, and this range we have as a very strong range of support. So, and what should you do in upcoming session, I will show you in my technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. And let me show you why we have this movement to the upside during last session. And by the way, this asset gained about 27% during this session. And let me show you this article. We are on investorplace.com, and this article was published just 3 hours ago, and it says, "Why is ATER Stock in the spotlight today?" And let me quote you this. This morning, Aterian announced the appointment of Anton von Roeden as its new COO. The role will primarily focus on Aterian's global supply chains out of the company's US operations. Additionally, the company reported that the previous COO, Premont KC, will serve as COO and General Manager of the company's Asia division. Chief Executive and co-founder Yaniv Sarik had some kind words for the new appointments. "We are excited to have Anton joining us at Aterian. He is a seasoned builder of e-commerce businesses and an operational leader with a deeply relevant experience. His multi-faced career brings incredibly valuable experience to our executive team as we prepare for our next phase of growth. Anton will target improved operational cross-department management and processes as we scale our platform in years to come through building, acquiring and partnering with brands." And definitely it was the initial spark of this movement right from this bottom. And if you want to read the entire press release, you can find it on their official press release section. And Mr. von Roeden has a very good experience, and you can read it right here. So I have to say that this news was only the first initial spark that ignite the flame of recent movement, and the real force that drives the price of ATER ticker symbol higher is the retail community. And on stocktweets.com website, on the watcher section, we have Aterian on the 5th place. On the most active section, we have Aterian on the 1st place. And I think we don't have this on the trending section. And I've told you that if this asset will be on the 1st or 2nd place on Sunday evening, definitely we will see next movement to the upside. On top of that, on appwisdom.io, this asset is still on the 1st place. And I've told you right here that we should see some increase in volume during last day, and it happened. As you can see, it gained about 73% of new mentions, and the total number of mentions is 536. Definitely, this increase drives the price of this company higher. But another catalyst is right here. For now, Aterian is still on the 1st place on the short squeeze leaderboard, and it has the short squeeze score of 99.57. This means this asset still has the highest possibility of short squeeze in upcoming sessions. And let me show you more detailed information. This asset has 34.76% of short interest of float, and the off-exchange short volume ratio is 55.17%. And right here you can see that only 20,000 shares available for shorting, and I have to say that previously it was 0 available shares for shorting. But the short borrow fee rate becomes even higher. It is 121.47, and previously it was slightly above 100%. So I have to say that this asset still has a huge potential for short squeeze, and that's why we have to be cautious with the next position. And let's continue with the technical analysis, and I will show you what you should do in details. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, let me zoom out a little bit. We've completed all 5 wave structure from this bottom on March 15th till this top, and this top is still the highest point right now. And we hit again this range, and we have a slight bounce to the downside. This means we have pretty much a triple top pattern, and we have 2 possibilities. First of all, if the next price action will be something like this, we might have a next attempt to break this range, then pull back, and probably on the next leg we might break it to the upside. And if it happens, definitely it might be an ascending triangle, and we might have something like this. And usually this type of patterns breaks to the upside, and this means if we will have this structure, definitely this asset becomes more bullish than bearish. But otherwise, the triple top pattern by itself is a very strong bearish pattern, and we have this range of resistance. Let me delete unnecessary tools right now. We have this range of resistance and this range of support. Most likely on upcoming session we will see some kind of retracement, and if we potentially hit again this range of support and this range of support, it will eliminate the ascending triangle, and most likely we will break this range to the downside, and in this case you have to be prepared for lower price action. And definitely for now this asset is extremely risky. Nobody knows what will be the next movement. If we won't have the highest short squeeze potential for this asset, definitely I would bet on the next movement to the downside. But for now, we have to take a closer look on these 2 ranges, and if we will break the range of about $6.59, and with this breakout we will have extremely high volume, definitely we might hit higher targets. And let me show you the bigger picture. Let me switch to 4 hours time frame. What do we have as next potential targets? Definitely it is this range of support and resistance, and it is $7.97, and next one might be at roughly $10 price point. So these 2 ranges might be our price targets if we will break this range of resistance. But if we will break the range of support, definitely this asset will go lower and hit probably $4 mark. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby,